Check this.
Hey guys, welcome back for another installment of Nerdy Builds. Today we are actually doing a how-to on how to build some stuff with your very own 3D printer pen. Here I'm just showing some of the stuff that I've made using my very own 3D printer pen, and hopefully with this tutorial it will help you get on your way to making some stuff like this. Now to start off, you'll need yourself a drawing surface for your 3D pen. This can be a piece of cardboard, a piece of paper. Next you want some filament to extrude to draw with. Then I've got a lighter for melting the surface and smoothing. Then I've got a cutting tool for cutting away unwanted pieces. And lastly, I have some files for any unwanted material that I am then wanting to just sand off for very end, getting a nice smooth result. Now after you do all that, what you're going to want to then do is prepare your 3D pen. Mine has a flashing red LED. Once it goes green, then you can insert filament and begin drawing with it. Today I'm going to run you through 4 very different 3D pen drawing methods for getting the same end result, but using 4 very different ways of drawing with a 3D pen. The first is basic 2D drawing. So with this, you're just going to draw a basic 2D image just like a pencil. Now this gets you very simple images. It's not extremely 3D, but it gets the general idea of a 3D pen, and it's good for basics, and it gets you learning on how to use your 3D pen and keeping a consistent line. Next is scaffold drawing, where what you do is you create all of your parts, all of your sides on a flat 2D surface, and then after you have finished creating all of them, you can then pull them all off. You can join them by using either a heat source like my lighter, or by using the 3D pen and extruding some filament into each one of the cracks and fusing it all together. As you can see, what I've done is a very small basic pyramid, just to show you guys exactly what I am doing. Now this next method is just a basic 3D printer way of printing, where it just prints it layer by layer, laying it on top of each layer continuously. This is the hardest way to draw because your hand is going to constantly shake and you can have differences in your thicknesses. So this by all means can create amazing 3D images, but is one of the harder way to draw. Now with mine, I decided to just make it a ring, to actually make it a more functional piece rather than just making a piece of scrap. So all I've done is added a nice little skull feature, and I've started thickening out the lines, trying to get a nice smooth edges around the side to make it a wearable ring. And for this fourth and final method, all I do is use a pre-form. So by that I mean you look at the shape you're wanting to make. For this one, for example, it is a sphere that I'm trying to make. So I grab something like a piece of aluminium foil, and I start with that. I roll that into a ball into the general size of the sphere I'm wanting, and then I start laying the 3D printer filament material over the top. Once you get a nice even surface, you can then again go back in with a lighter, start heating it, start smoothing the surface out. You can add details onto that. But anyway guys, I hope this has been a helpful tutorial for you guys in learning some basic 3D methods using your 3D printer pen. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like it, also like my Facebook page if you have a chance, and if you guys want to see more tutorials by me, please be sure to comment down below and ask me what you want to see me make next. See you later.